Good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. Hope you people are safe and well at your home. Okay, children, today we are going to start with chapter number 3, How Many Squares? So, we are starting with chapter number 3, How Many Squares? First of all, what do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of all the sides of a shape. What do you mean by perimeter? We are repeating again. Perimeter is the sum of all the sides of a shape. That means कोई भी shape हो उसका sum, that means total of all the sides is known as perimeter. Let us take one example. As you can see in picture, this is the shape of a square. And अगर आपको पता हो तो square चारों साइड से equal होता है. Okay, that means length and breadth both are equal. On the topper side, this line is known as length and on the opposite side is also known as length. And जो इस side में है उसे हम breadth बोलते हैं and again the opposite side is known as breadth. Clear? Now, suppose you are having 2 centimeter length and same breadth will also be 2 centimeter only, as because this is a shape of a square. So first we will find the perimeter of square is equals to sum of all the sides. Sum means total of all the 4 sides. So first we are doing 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter, and the same step I have copied over here. Now you are going to total all the 4 sides, so our answer will be 8 centimeter. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. Now we are going to apply a formula. Our formula is perimeter of square is equals to 4 into L. That means length. Next, 4 into our length is 2 centimeter. Okay. So 4 into 2 is equals to 8 centimeter is our answer. Now children, you can check your answer. In both the perimeter of square, you have got 8 centimeter. Without applying formula and with applying formula, you are getting same answer. That means your sum is correct. Next, you are seeing a shape of a rectangle. आपको दिख रहा है ये rectangle? Now in rectangle, the topper side and the opposite side both are known as length. And same side जो हमारे पास है उसे हम breadth बोलते हैं. And the same opposite side is also known as breadth. Square हो या rectangle, आपका length and breadth जहाँ आता है वो वहीं आएगा. But there will be change in the centimeters. Okay, and rectangle में हमेशा length and breadth कभी भी match नहीं करता है. Okay, suppose you are given length is equals to 5 centimeter. So on the opposite side also we will write length is equals to 5 centimeter. And breadth you are given 3 centimeter and the opposite side also I have written 3 centimeter. Now we are going to apply first perimeter of rectangle equals to sum of all the sides. That means again we are going to total all the 4 sides of a rectangle. So first 5 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 3 centimeter, and the same step I have copied over here, as you can see. So the total will be 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 3 16 centimeter. Okay, now we will apply formula. This is without formula and now this is with formula. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 and in the bracket length plus breadth. Okay, next step 2, length is 5 centimeter as you can see, then breadth 3 centimeter. Okay, next step 2, under the bracket I have written 8. How 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. Then our next step, now we are not having any type of sign between 2 and in the bracket 8. इसका मतलब ही into होता है, that means multiplication sign. So I have given 2 into 8. 8 2s are 16. Again, you can check the answer with formula and without formula. You are getting the same answer, 16 centimeter. In this way you can check your answer, that is your sum is correct or not. And our sum is correct over here. Now let us start with some sums. Find the perimeter of the shape given below. Now this is a shape which is given to you children. Now according to this you have to search out the shape. Now you can see it is a rectangle. आपको दिख रहा होगा कि rectangle shape है. Okay, and you are given in question that each size of a box is equals to 1 centimeter. That means this is 1 centimeter. This is also 1 centimeter. Again third one 1 centimeter. Fourth one 1 centimeter. And fifth one also 1 centimeter. So how many boxes we are having? Upward side is 5 boxes. That means 5 centimeter you can say. Okay. Then breadth. Come to this side. We are having 2 boxes. 1 2. Okay, so our breadth will be 2 centimeter. Fine. First we will apply the perimeter of rectangle is equals to sum of all the sides. Now we are going to total all the sides of a rectangle. That means 5 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. Now we are going to total up this. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 2 14. So our answer is 14 centimeter. Now same we are going to apply with the formula. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 bracket में length plus breadth. Next step 2, length is 5 centimeter, given 5 boxes 5 centimeter. Okay. Then breadth is 2 centimeter, 2 boxes equals to 2 centimeter. Fine. Then we are going to add up this both. 5 plus 2 7 and 2 will remain same. Then no sign is there, that means we will multiply it. The 2 into 7. 2 sevens are 14 centimeter. So both the answers are correct. That means your sum is correct. Next question. Same. You have to find the perimeter of the shape given below. Now this is a shape of a square. As you can see, square is having length plus breadth equal. Okay. आपको length और breadth हमेशा equals to में नजर आएगा. Length is 3 centimeter and again breadth is 3 centimeter. Just count the boxes. 1 2 3. Counting is correct. Okay. That means length is 3 centimeter. Again this side. Breadth 1 2 3. 3 centimeter. Then breadth is 3 centimeter. Now we are going to find perimeter of square is equals to sum of all the sides. Then we are going to total up all the 4 sides. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So I have put it over here. 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. And the total will be 12 centimeter. Then next we are going to apply with the formula perimeter of square is equals to 4 length. Okay. 4 into 3. As I have shown you, all the 4 sides was having 3 centimeter. Correct? So 4 3s are 12 equals to 12 centimeter. The next question. Find the perimeter of the following shape. Now this is again a shape of a square. How? You can judge the length and the breadth. Both are same. You are having 4 boxes, upward side 1 2 3 4. And the same 1 2 3 4. You are having breadth. That means 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. Okay. Length and breadth आपका equal हो गया. perimeter of square equals to sum of all the sides. Now we are going to total up 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter equals to 16 centimeter. Now when you will total up all these, then you will get 16 centimeter as your answer. Next, then formula we are going to apply. Perimeter of square is equals to 4L. Next, 4 into length, your 4 centimeter is applied here. Okay, equals to 16 centimeter. You can check both the answers are correct. That means your sum is correct. Next, fourth question. Again, you have to find the perimeter of a shape. Now you can see, children, this is a shape of a rectangle, as both the length and breadth are not equal. Length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. कैसे पता पड़ा? Count the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Length is correct, 5 centimeter. But over here breadth is not 5 centimeter. It is 4 centimeter. एक box कम है हमारे पास. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So it is a shape of a rectangle. So we are going to apply the formula accordingly. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to sum of all the sides. Now 5 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 4 centimeter is equals to 18 centimeter. जब आप इन सब को प्लस करोगे तो आपको आंसर 18 मिलेगा. Now just apply this with a formula. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 bracket में length plus breadth. Then next step, length is 5 centimeter plus breadth is 4 centimeter. So next step, 5 plus 4, 9, and with this we are going to multiply 2 with 9. Okay, अगर कोई भी साइन नहीं है तो मैंने आपको बताया है, आप उसको मल्टीप्लाई की साइन देंगे. So 2 9s are 18. Again you can check कि आपके दोनों आंसर्स 18 है. That means your sum is correct. Next we are going to start with problem sums. First question. What is the perimeter of a square with side length 4 centimeter? Now children, you are given a question that you have to find a perimeter of a square which is having the length of 4 centimeter. अब पहली बात तो वो square है. That means you will get all the 4 sides equal. Okay, length and breadth आपका दोनों ही 4 centimeter है यहाँ पे. Okay, so perimeter of square हम डायरेक्टली फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. ओके, फॉर्मूला इज 4L. 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 क्योंकि 4 सेंटीमीटर है. फाइन. सो 4 into 4 equals to 16 centimeter. Next question. What is the perimeter of a rectangle having length 3 centimeter and breadth 2 centimeter? Now it is quite easier to understand कि आपको क्या दिया गया है. ओके, आपको क्वेश्चन ही बोल रहा है कि आपको रेक्टेंगल फाइंड करना है और आप उसे चेक भी कर सकते हैं दैट यू आर हैविंग लेंथ इक्वल और नॉट. लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ जब हमारे पास इक्वल नहीं है दैट मीन्स इट इज एन रेक्टेंगल. ओके, सो हमने रेक्टेंगल ड्रॉ कर लिया. लेंथ इज गिवन 3 centimeter, so we have written 3 centimeter length both upward and downward side, as because opposite will remain same. Breadth is 2 centimeter, again on the opposite side we are having 2 centimeter as breadth. Now we will apply the formula. Perimeter of rectangle 2 bracket length plus breadth. Again 2 will remain same. Length is having 3 centimeter and breadth is having 2 centimeter. Next 2 in bracket we will put 5 as because 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Correct? Then we are going to put multiplication sign between this as because we are not having any type of sign. And lastly we will get answer 2 5s are 10. The next What is the perimeter of rectangle having length 6 centimeter and breadth 4 centimeter? Again, it is a rectangle. You can check with the centimeter of both length and breadth. आपके पास equal नहीं है, that means कि आपको rectangle ही find करना है. Okay, I have drawn a picture over here, sorry, shape over here. Length आपके पास है 6 centimeter and then breadth आपके पास दिया गया है 4 centimeter. Perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 length plus breadth. Next, 2 will remain same. Length is 6 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter. Okay. Next, 2, 6 plus 4 we will add up over here and we will get 10 as a result. So we will multiply with this. As no sign, we will put multiplication. 2 into 10 equals to 20 centimeter. Okay, now let us revise what we have done right now. We have used, children, two things over here. That means one is without formula and one is with formula. Now perimeter square we can find by two ways. That is sum of all the sides. We will total up all the sides of the square, or else you can use a formula that is 4 into L. That's why I have written over here or. ओके मतलब आपका ऑप्शन है कि आपको कौन सा चूज़ करना है. सेकेंड, पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल ऑल्सो यू आर हैविंग द सेम सम ऑफ ऑल द साइड्स एंड वन इज विद द फॉर्मूला 2 in bracket length plus breadth. Now you can use any one from both the perimeter of rectangles. Okay. So children, our first part is completed over here. We will continue with the next part in the next class. Hope you people have liked the video. Thank you.